Welcome to my channel. In this video I will paint a fairy cottage in the forest. I put a list of art supplies that I will use for this video in the description below. You can prepare your colors and canvas to follow along or just enjoy watching. To prepare my color palette, I will use a generous amount of titanium white, Phthalocyanine blue, primary blue, a dab of raw umber, oxide green, and emerald green. I will also need yellow medium and light magenta to paint flowers. First, I will make a quick pencil sketch on the canvas. To paint the background, I will make a turquoise color of Phthalocyanine blue with emerald green and a little bit of white. I want to add some light yellow and pink to the background as well. Once the background is dry, I will pick up the mop brush and paint tree leaves using a dabbing motions. To paint the tree trunks, I will use raw umber, yellow medium, titanium white, and the pointed brush. Here is a neat little trick to create depth. I take a small hand towel and rub my fingers with it. Then I make the towel damp with water and dip it into titanium white. Next step is to make sure it gives the right coverage by trying it on the palette first. When the wash of white looks transparent enough, I swirl it on the painting. To paint the cottage, I add a dab of yellow medium and titanium white to raw umber, and use a round brush to fill it up with paint, avoiding the windows. I will use a mix of yellow medium and titanium white to lighten up the windows. I use a fan brush and put some moss on the cottage. Using stencil brushes, I will add glowing moths in the foreground. Let me know how your painting turned out, or ask me questions in the comments below. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will help other people find it and join our artistic adventure. Thank you for watching.